Hello everyone, welcome to the purchase order tutorial. In this quick little guide, we're going to walk through how to create a PO, how to manage it, how to email and print it as well. So I'm on the purchase order module in the system here. I can just click on purchase order and that'll bring me to this page. First thing I want to do is select the store for which I'm receiving this inventory for, or the inventory set. So whichever warehouse I'm receiving this inventory for, I can just select that warehouse. I can choose the dates here as well. A lot of the addresses will get auto-populated once you select a vendor. So let's go ahead, let's select that vendor. And now I'm going to add my SKUs from the advanced variant finder. So what I can do is I can select the styles. I can select the style right here and then just go through and add the variants. And what I can do is type in a number, hit tab, hit the next number, hit tab again, and then just hit enter. And then I can go add to order. So I can repeat the same thing for any additional styles if I wanted to, and then I can annotate these with discounts. So I can do something like batch discounts, and I can do maybe 15%. That'll give me a 50% discount on all the items here. I can apply batch pricing. So if I wanted to apply a custom price or a custom cost or something like that to all these prices, I could do that. By default, it's always going to pull in the unit cost for these items as well. You can add a memo and so forth. So let's go ahead, let's save this PO. Now what I can do is once it's saved, I can print it off. I can just click print and click print preview. You can control what default template you have fetch from the document template module. But basically this is your printout of your PO. And if you wanted to email it, you can go options, add to email queue. And what you can do is if you leave it as respective recipient, it's actually going to, I'll actually show you what it means. So let's say I wanted to email this to the vendor. If I click on add and preview, what it's going to do is it's going to fetch the email of the vendor that I have entered. But if I were to change that, so let's say I go add to email queue, and let's say I put in somebody else's email, and then just go add and preview. It's actually going to fetch that email in right here. So I can go ahead, I can send that email, hit send right here quite simply. So instead of sending the email right there and then, what I can also do is add the email to a queue. What that does is basically adds whatever you have, whatever, any transaction or any order, you can put it in an email queue, and then you can flush your queue at the end of the day. Likewise, if you wanted to send the email right then and there, you can just go add and preview. If I go to the purchase order center, I can search for the PO. So your usual filtering is available from your advanced search module. From here, you can basically find the POs that you wanted and search for them from there.